Physical therapy is an important part of recovery, and having the right care team can make all the difference. Proliance Orthopedic Associates has physical therapy built right into its orthopedic practices. Here to tell us more is physical therapist Tim Stensby. Thank you so much for being here with me, Tim.
Thanks for having me.
Let's just start with what the facility is. For anyone who's never heard of Proliance, what do you all do?
So Proliance Orthopedic Associates has been serving South King County for many years, establishing themselves as some of the best orthopedic surgeons in the region. And over the years we have grown, and now we are having MRI facility. We have 6 clinics available to patients, and including urgent care facilities that are doing in-house casting and imaging, and more recently, physical therapy. We will be adding physical therapy in Renton and Maple Valley in the coming months.
Incredible. So one-stop shopping.
One-stop shop.
Let's talk about that expansion. It's exciting to see things grow. Tell me more about the importance and what you all will be offering with that expansion.
Yeah, so I joined a team, really excited to be part of a physician-led practice where we can collaborate and form new protocols and new handouts for post-operative care to patients, and it's between the surgeons, the support staff, and the physical therapist in developing these. So it's truly a team approach.
That's so great to hear. What made you as a professional want to join this team?
It was exciting for me to jump on board and be a part of something not only from the ground up in regards to establishing physical therapy, but to be involved with a team that is truly the best at what they do.
That's so great to hear. Let's talk about the one-stop shopping of it all. What does it mean to have physical therapy living inside of an orthopedic group?
Well, from beginning to end, it's always about the patient. And so our physical therapists in-house have access to patient records. So they can dive in, whether it's, for example, somebody comes in for a total knee replacement. Yes, the script says total knee, but we are able to access medical records to tell us the whole history, whether the patient had previous surgeries, injuries, or other things that can influence how we approach their care. Additionally, our physical therapists are able to observe surgeries, so truly they can be with a patient from beginning to end.
Wow, that's amazing for peace of mind.
Yeah.
And so let's say I'm coming in for a surgery, my first time in, where do we start and then where do we finish?
You're going to have a 40-minute session, one-on-one with your physical therapist, and they will take you back and do essentially follow protocol. But we additionally pride ourselves on not only having knowledge for post-operative care, but our physical therapists are trained in a wide range of ailments, including, your standard desk worker who has neck pain and headaches, to low back pain, to, of course, post-operative care, and then additionally, your injured athlete.
That's incredible. I'm sure you're seeing an increase of desk pain injuries. We're all hunched over these days.
Yeah, activity-related injuries, and you don't have to be an athlete. It can be just simply from sitting at your desk for 8 hours. We see plenty of that, for sure.
I bet you do. And you're growing your team. You're expanding.
We are.
Tell me about that.
We are. We're currently looking for skilled physical therapists. We are developing a mentorship program for new graduates, which will include tracks for sports medicine, for your standard orthopedic injuries, for the desk worker we discussed, additionally for your ankle sprains and et cetera. But we want these physical therapists to feel comfortable and have a mentorship track that they can navigate and move forward in their careers. We're also searching for, the therapists truly that are passionate about patient care, and we want them to feel supported in doing so.
That's incredible. So it sounds like you are seeking out people to work for you, a great staff,
yes.
But then also patients as well can come in and feel comfortable.
Correct.
Amazing. What's the number one injury you're seeing these days? Any top things that need to be fixed?
You know, truly, I would say everything under the sun. Of course, in our area, we're seeing a lot of postoperative knee replacements, hip replacements. But when it comes to the walk-ins, it's neck and low back.
Okay, but we cover it all?
We cover it all.
Awesome. Tim, thank you so much for your time and expertise.
Thank you for
If you want to learn more about physical therapy at Proliance Orthopedic Associates, just visit the website right there on your screen.
New Day Northwest is sponsored by Proliance Orthopedic Associates.